Hello, grade 11 students. Welcome to the world of Earth Science. I am super excited to have you here. Excited about all the amazing topics that we have prepared for you. I am Teacher Elvie, your guide in identifying the different minerals important to society. Prepare your paper and pen as we embark to learn and enjoy our topics. Are you ready, grade 11 students? As we go navigate the lesson, you are expected to 1. Name the commonly used minerals today. 2. Identify the importance of different minerals to society. 3. Describe the ways on how mineral deposits are formed. To test your prior knowledge of our lesson, kindly answer the following questions that will be flashed on your screen. Let's start! On a piece of paper, kindly write the letter of your answer to the following questions. We will have it checked before the end of this lesson. One, what are the two important minerals found in your toothpaste that makes the enamel of your teeth harder, cleaner, and more resistant to acid wear? A. Calcium carbonate and fluoride. B. Calcium and potassium. C. Sodium and iron. Or D. Sulfur and gypsum. What minerals are used by ancient Egyptians as ingredients for their eyes makeup? A. Galena, ferrolusite, magnetite, and stibnite. B. Galena, ferrolusite, malachite, and stibnite. C. Galena, ferrolusite, sulfur, and stibnite. Or D. Galena, talc, magnetite, and stibnite. Three. Which of the following uses of crushed incised dolomite is or are true? 1. Use as road-based material. 2. Use as feed additive for livestock. 3. Use in production of cement. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. Or D. 1, 2, and 3. Four. In which of the following conditions can ore minerals form? A. At the surface of an area that was once covered by water. B. At the bottom of a water body. C. In a bed of hot flowing lava. Or D. In fractures within rocks. Five. Which of these is not an example of how your community uses natural resources? A. Chips and dip for watching a football. B. Gasoline for public transportation. C. Trees to build furniture and houses. Or D. Water for a community swimming pool.
The history of mineral application can be traced back to ancient Egypt. Minerals were used for cosmetics and medical purposes. In Egypt, metal sulfide minerals like galena, pyrolusite, magnetite, and stibnite were used to create coal, a black color used as makeup for the eyes. For medical use, Egyptians believed that the mineral malachite could be cure abdominal diseases and dental problems as described in ancient medical scrolls. Today, other applications include constructing building materials, developing weapons for defense, machinery, making jewelry, synthesizing fertilizers, and a lot more.
Let us start our learning adventure by identifying the commonly used minerals today. The following is a selected list of commonly used minerals. Please bring out your paper and jot down the important information.
Aggregates. Natural aggregates include sand, gravel, and crushed stone. Aggregates are composed of rock fragments that may be used in their natural state or after mechanical processing, such as crushing, washing, or sizing. Recycled aggregates consist mainly of crushed concrete and crushed asphalt pavement. Aluminum. Aluminum is the most abundant metallic element in the Earth's crust. Bauxite ore is the main source of aluminum. Aluminum is used in automobiles and airplanes, bottling and canning industries, building and electrical and other applications. Halides. Halides or salts is used in human and animal diet, primarily as food seasoning and as food preservation. It is also used to prepare sodium hydroxide, soda ash, caustic soda, hydrochloric acid, chlorine, and metallic sodium. It is also the ceramic glazes, metallurgy, curing of hides, mineral waters, soap manufacture, home water softeners, highway dicing, photography, and scientific equipments for optical parts. Calcium. The primary use of calcium is not in its silvery white and metal form, but as calcium carbonate. It is used in adhesives and sealants, cosmetics, foods, paint, paper, pharmaceuticals, plastics, rubber to produce lime, and as crushed stone in construction. Dolomite. Dolomite is the near twin sister rock to limestone. Like limestone, it is typically forms in a marine environment, but also has a primary magnesium component. Dolomite is used in agriculture, chemical, in industrial applications, cement construction, refractories, and environmental industries. Zinc. Zinc is used as protective coating on steel, like die casting, as an alloying metal with copper to make brush, and as chemical compounds in rubber and paint. Additional uses includes galvanizing iron, electroplating, metal spraying, automotive parts, electrical fuses, anodes, dry cell batteries, nitration, chemicals, roof gutters, cable wrapping, and pennies. Zinc oxide is used in medicine, paint, vulcanizing rubber, and sunblock lotions. Basalt. Basalt is an extrusive igneous rock. Crushed basalt is used for railroad ballast, aggregates in highway construction, and is a major component of asphalt. Cement. Cement is used for building materials, stucco, and mortar. Cement is a mixture of powdered lime, clay, and other minerals that crystallize to form a hard solid when water is added, or hydraulic cement, as a bending materials and concrete.
Fluoride.
Fluoride is used in production of hydrofluoric acid, which is used in the pottery, ceramics, optical, electroplating, and plastics industries. It is also used in the metallurgical treatment of bauxite, as a flux in open-heart steel furnaces, and in metal smelting, as well as in carbon electrodes, emery wells, electric arc welders, and toothpaste as a source of fluorine. Diamond. Industrial diamonds are those that cannot be used as gems. Large diamonds are used in tools and drilling bits to cut rock and small stones. Small diamonds, also known as dust or grit, are used for cutting and polishing stone and ceramic products. Gold. Gold is used in dentistry and medicine, jewelry and arts, medallions, coins, and ingots. It is also used for scientific and electronic instruments, computer circuitry, as an electrolyte in the electroplating industry, and in many applications for the aerospace industry. Why do we need minerals? Minerals are basic and essential raw materials in our daily lives and are vital for economics, social, and technological development. These examples illustrate their use in everyday life. Phosphate rock, potash, and lime are used in agricultural fertilizers, and other mineral products are used to improve the soil. The water you drink use minerals to make it clean. Amazing, right? Minerals are also used in building houses, schools, libraries, hospitals, offices, and shops. Buildings use a wide range of minerals such as iron in the framework of the large building, clay in the bricks in roofing tiles, silica, sand in window glass, copper for plumbing and wiring.
Now, it is important to know that our mineral resources are non-renewable, and once extracted, they are exhausted, and another source must be found. Mineral resources are continuously created by different geological processes happening in the Earth's interior, but it may take million years to form.
Mineral resources can be divided into two major types. This includes metal ore and non-metallic minerals. An ore is a rock sufficiently enriched in one or more minerals. Examples: iron ore or silver ore, like gold, copper, platinum, and aluminum. While non-metallic mineral resources are useful rocks or minerals that are not metals, such as salt, sand, talc, clay, stone, limestone, and gravel. Remember that the geological process involved in the rock cycle plays a major role in the accumulation and concentration of valuable minerals. There are four main categories of minerals formation. 1. Magmatic, in which minerals crystallize to form a melt. 2. Sedimentary, in which minerals are the result of sedimentation, a process whose raw material is particles from other rocks that have undergone weathering or erosion.
3. Metamorphic, in which heat and pressure causes minerals to form bonds between atom breaks and join again. 4. Hydrothermal, in which minerals are chemically precipitated from hot solutions within the earth. The diagram shows the different mineral deposits that usually occur in different tectonic environments. Magmatic arc, tin, copper, gold, silver, lead, and mercury. 4. Arc basin, lead, zinc, and copper. Oceanic rust, manganese, cobalt, nickel, and chromium. Oceanic ridge, copper, and zinc. Grade 11 learners, to fully engage ourselves in this lesson, let us answer our Activity 1 in your learning activity sheets. Read each statement and react by checking a column that corresponds to your response. Please open your learning activity sheets because we will answer Activity 1 of the Let's Do More part. Give at least 5 examples of metallic and non-metallic minerals. Examples were provided for your reference. Since we are done explaining all the information you need, let us proceed in synthesizing our lesson. Directions. Complete the sentences by filling the blanks with the correct answer.
Now, let's go back to the questions posted at the beginning of our lesson and review your answers.
On a piece of paper, kindly write the letter of your answer to the following question. 1. What are the 2 important minerals found in your toothpaste that makes the enamel of your teeth harder, cleaner, and more resistant to acid wear? A. Calcium carbonate and fluoride. B. Calcium and potassium. C. Sodium and iron. Or D. Sulfur and gypsum. What minerals are used by ancient Egyptians as ingredients for their eyes makeup? A. Galena, ferrolusite, magnetite, and stibnite. B. Galena, ferrolusite, malachite, and stibnite. C. Galena, ferrolusite, sulfur, and stibnite. Or D. Galena, talc, magnetite, and stibnite. Three. Which of the following uses of crushed incised dolomite is or are true? 1. Used as road-based material. 2. Used as feed additive for livestock. 3. Used in production of cement. A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. Or D. 1, 2, and 3. Four. In which of the following conditions can ore minerals form? A. At the surface of an area that was once covered by water. B. At the bottom of a water body. C. In a bed of hot flowing lava. Or D. In fractures within rocks. Five. Which of these is not an example of how your community uses natural resources? A. Chips and dip for watching a football. B. Gasoline for public transportation. C. Trees to build furniture and houses. Or D. Water for a community swimming pool.
Did you get all 5 answers correct? That's great!
For your assignment, kindly write your answer in a piece of paper. Number 1. Can a mineral be formed in more than one process? If yes, give an example. If not, explain why. Number 2. Other than jewelry, why is gold important to society? Number 3. Discuss the most common origin of chromite ore. How is this ore important to society? Congratulations, grade 11 students! You were able to finish the task in our lesson. If you have questions, you may ask the assistance of your science teacher. Once again, I am Teacher LB, one of your science mentors. Stay tuned for the next episode of Puerto Princesa City Dream TV.